Welcome to VOGGLZ. We're going to teach you how to assemble your VOGGLZ. Key point here is the glue stick. Make sure you have a glue stick. It will help strengthen the VOGGLZ. The first step is to remove any of the cardboard from the pre-cut cardboard slabs here, as you can see. The cardboard has some pre-cut perforations. If you simply fold it along the lines, you can begin to construct the box. Next, grab the centerpiece and fold again along the pre-cut perforations. You're going to take the lenses and the part that bulges out, make that face outward, if you will, or put them face down. So when you fold the centerpiece, the bulging part is facing away from you, or away from the VOGGLZ logo. All right, now just simply insert the centerpiece into the perforated holes as seen here. The side of the VOGGLZ has some sticky tape. Just pull the piece off and press it against the side panel as seen here. I'd hold it there for 10 to 15 seconds. You may want to use the glue stick for extra strength. This piece right here divides the center of the VOGGLZ. Just take the tape off as seen here, and again you will put it and place it in the pre-cut holes where it will kind of divide the area between where you're viewing the VOGGLZ. At this point you can see we're putting in the bottom and the middle piece that attaches to the centerpiece. This is the last part, well, second to last part. These are the magnets. Simply put one magnet into the pre-cut hole as seen. The other magnet just slides right there, and this acts as a mechanism to be able to play VR-based games or change certain scenes in some of the stuff you're viewing. And then finally, the tape that holds the VOGGLZ in place. Stick the two Velcro pieces together, and then undo tape on one side and stick it on the top of the box. And simply take the tape off on both sides, and you're set. Alright, you've completed the VOGGLZ assembly. It works with all standard smartphones. So just simply open up the top, place your phone, and of course choose what you're going to be viewing, and you're off to the races. Have a great time.